Good morning, good afternoon, Falcons. So for today's work, you're gonna have a copy of the Google Slides. You each gonna get your own copy, but so today we're gonna talk about women's rights. Okay, so when we talk about women's rights, we have to go back all the way to the Declaration of Independence when the founding fathers, talk about that all men are created equal. So think about John Locke and what are some of the natural rights that he says that people have. So I'm giving you a hint: life, um, and try to identify the other three natural rights. If you can identify that, just try to Google it. It's all good. And then please read the intro to the preamble of the Constitution. This is really important because in order for you to understand women's fight for rights, you have to understand that women did not get those rights when America declared independence from England and when they created a constitution that gave rights to men but not to women. Okay, so today you're gonna read a speech by Sojourner's Truth. She was a African American woman who was formerly enslaved, and she became free, and she was somebody that advocated for women's rights. So please make sure that you are respectful as you go through these documents. Here's the timeline of or the agenda. Here's some background information on Sojourner's Truth. This video is for you to give yourself that even though women got the right to vote in 1920, women's rights have not been fully given to women, even to this day. So you watch this video on the march on DC in 2017, and look at what women are asking nowadays from the government. The historical question: what were some of the arguments that women used to get rights and recognitions? So here's some background information into what was happening around this time, 1851. This is right before the Civil War. This is a time where people are asking for change. They're seeking change. They want things to change because life for women it's not as equal as men, and especially if you are a black woman or a black man. And as you know, slavery still in 1851 is going on. So what you're gonna do, and what I invite you to do, is to watch this video. This is the speech that Sojourner Truth gave. So listen to the speech, and then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna analyze the speech yourself. So you're gonna take a look at each part of the speech to identify what is she arguing, what is the argument that she's making, what is she asking for from especially from men. So look at the argument, and once you're done, make sure that you go to the mastery check in Edulastic. It's already been posted. You can take it up to 2 times. So if you don't do well on the first time, give it another shot. But make sure that you're looking at the documents in order for you to understand the mastery check. Okay, and once you're done with that, you're done with your day, and I will see you on Monday. Have a fantastic day.